No, man. If we forgot how to do this thing. Hey, Banana. Hey, Banana. Where is my grinder? Since I moved from Midrand, where is my grinder? Ooh la la. Oh, there it is. Really?
Some tea with those clothes and stuff. These are equal upside. These are like 50 here. On the tip, like, they all went down together here.
Who's they now?
In menopause.
Nano stuff. Ooh la la. Old age. I can't hear you. Please what?
Every time I have a jungle oats, please add milk because it's so nice.
But I've always added milk. You guys never liked it. I don't know who told you jungle oats is not nice. That's why we must stay away from cereal. Cereal is a lot more worse because of sugar and the artificial side of it. I'm making my coffee beans here.
Okay.
After a long time, get me a pack. I don't know how I cut this thing.
So.
Get me one pack there. Are you done? Finish. Yes, those guys, they also sell there. No, but most coffee. I think someone is placing their product there because it's from it's Arabic coffee. Lana, please go. Can you guys go? This is my time now. You guys woke up to cartoons. Can I wake up to my coffee? Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Uyaphi naloyo into ibeke udoti loyo beka hamba odla Zan. You know how many scoops that be? Yo, my spoon. This is what I have. Hey, bye. All night long. Do. That's it. Press twice. And then it should go. Yes, it's going. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, this is for the afternoon. I need to find the cap to close here. Yes, I'm gonna transfer it. No, not really. Let's just close this. And then, yeah, this is for the next make. I need to also finish everything up. Yeah, for tomorrow morning. Let's just do that while we chat with you guys. And I'm hoping that I'll upload this as a live, a restream to one on YouTube. I'll upload it as my live, but and then I'll chat with you guys. And if you are hearing this part, hi, hello, welcome to Food Lab by Tandega. Previously, this channel, I had saved it as the lab, as Paris Blake, but now it is the Food Lab. This is what I'm having today: jungle oats, banana, and the seed mix. And I'll just pour some milk to make it loose. And then I'll have my coffee with my husband here. The coffee is from the guys here in Benoni. They are from some butchery, not some butchery, but I just bought it because usually these kinds of coffee are yummy, 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 yummy. It's whole beans, and hence I am grinding. I've poured some already. Barista yasekhaya. And I'll be grinding, and talking to you. If you've joined, hello, hi, welcome. My name is Food Lab. Yeah, I'm just here to document my videos, to keep my videos, to show what I am going through. This content here happens only in the kitchen or for some meals or here in this kitchen. And then my next kitchen though would be at a fancy private place somewhere here in South Africa, undisclosed location. Ngiyakhuleka ukuthi inkosi isipha amandla okumuvela to my dream place. But if that doesn't happen, a fallback would be Stain City. I want to stay in Stain City. I don't know why, but I love that. Or somewhere in Magaliesberg, or Mpumalanga. Nobody traveling to work. Magalis, I know it's an hour and a half or 1 hour, and I don't mind driving. Where else? Or just to move to Kenya. I wouldn't mind moving to Kenya. You see the coffee? It's moving. Let's see. It's. I made it to 4 cups, 4.5 cups. So let's see. It looks so weak. Damn. It looks so weak. I hope I didn't disturb that. And then I have this guy here. Let's switch it off. Here I am making a tea Well, it's gonna be water. Let me do this. I have a stand here. This is the water. This is whole cloves. I've had so many benefits. Let's see what is it in store for me. So yeah, but it's for later because I'm gonna wait for it to cool down. The coffee is done. The coffee is done. The coffee is done. The coffee is done. All right, coffee cups. Let me show you guys. I have so many cups here. I even get confused. And every time I buy two for me and my husband. These are currently my favorite from Woolies. Maybe let's just use those. And the other ones are these ones. The Queen's Cup. I know, Queen. Woo. Okay, let's see. Miss Barista here. Oh, this coffee looks so weak. It looks so weak, Shem. I think I'm gonna use a small cup. Why does it look so weak? It doesn't pour enough. But my husband will be happy. I know he will be. Let me taste it. Not bad. I don't pour sugar because milk has its own sugar, but my husband does. So I'll just pour 2 for him. This is a messy coffee session. He doesn't like honey. Let me take this to him. I'll just put this here. Hi. Cough. Ngizokulethela ileni. Angazi noma limnandi or linjani. Li-weak kodwa. I think ngilithele ama-beans ngenza amancane. Bekumele ngigrind amaningi. Hayi lifa. Vele wena i-coffee awulithandi, so I don't even know why ngikubuza. Iyeza i-clove yakho. So guys, as you heard, alikho mnandi coffee. It's because weak, but mina ngiyal-enjoy. Just gonna do 20 minutes of this yarn and upload this video. If you see this video here, please subscribe, give me some love, share, comment. Siyazama bafethu. Realika. Sifuna ukuba successful. Iyazuma lento in. Let me see. I'm using some sort of a software. Does it? It doesn't. Ooh la la. Oh, it's the light here. Exposure. Oh, there's a zoom in. Ah, yes. You see that? The technology. Ooh. So I am teaching myself to do my husband is making noise, my keys, the machine. These are my mornings on Sundays or on weekends. Saturdays are okay, but your Sundays, okay, learn to fit. So I have another channel, Tandeka's World, where I share my crochet journey. I don't do tutorials, but it's a journey. Ngizoyithega leyo channel la. Please ngicela like, follow. In 45 people, I wanna go live using that channel at Tandeka's World here on YouTube. I trust you guys. I will frequently go live. Ngaleyo sifunde ndawonye ukwenza. So I'm using ukotini la. I should be sharing this on my channel while enjoying my coffee. So la i-channel yokupheka, Tandeka's World, i-channel handcraft, and then Canvas of a Runner, i-channel yokujima nokuxoxa nabanye abantu. 3 channels ngizowafaka la amagama wakhona, my crusty hands. Otherwise, enjoy your Sunday. Today is 26 July. It's Sunday, half of the year iphelile. 5 months to 2026 uphele. What have you done? What are your dreams? What are you pushing? Yini ofostayo kuyo, yini ofohlayo. Yini osugive up because uyabona ukuthi no, you're losing a lot. Let me know in the comments. Mina, I just love the content creation, the old school way. I'm not following no algorithm. Yeah, YouTube. Ngishare authenticity. And if ungayithandi, that's up to you. You can scroll on and move on. I promote a kindness and ignorance is bliss in a good way. So yeah, let's create, guys, and show our skills online. The machines are taking over. If we don't promote this, the machines are taking over, the AI. But otherwise, bye. See you soon. Click on these following channels right here.